Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter app. To know how to find the solution about Twitter app, then you can go to Play Store, you can go to Settings. Here we'll enter to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list will enter to Twitter. After that we click on Force Stop and we click OK. Then we click on Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.